Good morning, friends. Today to discuss about data types in data structure. Data types in various data types in data structure. First one, what is data type? Data type is computing the terms. It is a set of data values having predefined characteristics. Set of values, predefined characteristics is called the data structures of data types. The example of data type is first one. Example of data structure is first one, integer data type. Integer means shortcut form is int. Character is shortcut form is char. Floating point is shortcut form is float. Double, it is the double is double. This is the data types in the data structures. Have the basic types of data structures is called the integer, character, float, double is the subset of data types. Data types can be broken into two types. First one, scalar or primitive data types. Scalar or primitive data types. Second one is structured or non-primitive. Structured or non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive types. Primitive data structures, non-primitive data types. Primitive data types, non-primitive data types. First one, what is the scalar or primitive data types is the simple scalar data type is consists of a collection of ordered values. Simple data types consists of a collection of ordered values and a set of operations can be performed. Is called the scalar or primitive data types. This is the scalar variable data type is set time to in C, C++, Java is the available in scalar data types. That's example: integer, character, float, double, string, and others. The primitive data types, the range in Java language. The primitive data types in the range in Java language. Integer type. Integer type means integer again classified into byte type or long. Byte or long, short or int. Integer again classified. Integer classified into byte. Next one is short. Integer classified into int, long. Integer classified into byte, short, int, long. This is the integer types. The range of integer type byte is a 1 byte. 1 byte size. Short is a 2 byte size. Short is a 2 bytes. In byte is a 1 byte size. Short is a 2 byte size. Integer is a 4 byte size. 4 bytes. Long is a 8 bytes. Long integer means 8 byte size. Integer means 4 bytes. Short integer means 2 bytes. Byte integer 1 byte size. This is the maximum range of values. Is byte is a 127 maximum range. Short is a minus 128 to the range is byte is minus 128 to minus 128 to 127. Next one, short range is minus 32,768 to 32,767 plus 32,767. Next one, integer యొక్క range is minus 2 147 483 648 minus 2 plus 2 147 483 647 minus plus 2 147 483 647. This is the range of 4 integer. Next one, long minus 9 223 372 036 854 775 808. This is the range. 2 plus 223 372 036 854 775 808 to 807. Last 807. Remaining bits will be same. This is the positive value. This is the negative value. This is the range of minimum value to maximum value. Next one, floating point. Float is again classified into float or double. Float or double data type or float data type. Float is a 4 bytes size. Double is a 8 byte size. This is the float data type. Range is 3.4 exponential value to 0.38. This is the minimum value. This is the 3.4e minus 0.382 3.4e plus 0.38. This is the float range. This is the double range. Double range is 1.7 exponential value to minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. This is the double exponential. Next data type is character data type. Integer data type, floating data type. Next one is character. Character. What is a character data type? Java provides characters. Data type called char. Store the character constants. Store the character character constant. The assume size is a 2 bytes. Character constant is 2 bytes. The size is character constant is available are 2 bytes. Next one is Boolean type. Boolean. Boolean data type. The type is used the want to test a particular condition or true or false. True or false. It provide true or false condition will be available in the Boolean data type. Next one, the structured or non-primitive data types. Another one is structured non-primitive data type. Structured non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types holds the collected or joined data values, collecting the joining the values. The collection will generally consist of the primitive types. Primitive types తీసుకొని collect చేస్తాం. ఇందులో the example would include the